Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am going to show you how you can redeem your Apple iTunes gift card on your PC or your Mac. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started. So the first thing you want to do is simply make sure that you have actually downloaded as well as installed the iTunes application on your Windows device. If you have not yet downloaded the iTunes, then simply open your browser and then search for download iTunes. Click on the first link that appears, download the exe file, and then set up by following all of the instructions accordingly. So once we have downloaded as well as installed the iTunes application on our Windows or our Mac, what we want to do is simply open the iTunes application right from here. Once you open your iTunes application, you want to make sure that you are actually logged into your Apple ID account, because if you are not logged into your Apple ID, then you will not be able to redeem your code. Now here you can see this is how the home interface of the iTunes application looks like by default. So in order to redeem our code, what we want to do is on the top left hand side you can see multiple menu options. What we want to do is simply go to account section right over here. Once you go to accounts, you can see that at the top of the screen this is my Apple ID because I'm already logged in. So in order to redeem, you first want to verify that you are logged into your account. So in order to redeem our code, you want to simply scroll down. At the bottom you will find an option called redeem. So what we want to do is simply click on redeem right over here, and once you click on redeem, it may ask you to verify your Apple ID password. So let us wait for a while. So as you can see that once you tap on redeem, it may ask you to verify using your Apple ID code. So what you want to do is simply enter the password of your Apple ID. Once you enter your password, go ahead and click on sign in again. So as you can see, once you enter your password, you can see that we have been taken to the redeem page. So at the bottom you will see an option called enter your gift card or download code. This code will be applied to your Apple ID, and at the right hand side you will be able to see the ID or the email address in which this code is going to be applied to. Once you have made sure that all of your details are correct, you want to simply enter your code at this box right over here. Make sure that you have actually entered the letters, numbers, keywords, as well as all of the symbols correctly, because even if there is a single mistake, you will not be able to redeem your code. So once you have made sure that all of your codes as well as letters are correct in this box, on the right hand side you will have enabled an option called redeem. So you want to simply tap on redeem, and once you tap on redeem, it may ask you to enter your payment information and so on. If it asks, then simply go ahead and select in which payment information you want to fill up. Once you do that, your code will be successfully applied to your iTunes Apple ID on your PC or your Mac. So in this way you can really easily redeem your iTunes Apple gift card on your PC or your Mac. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any more questions regarding this, then simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in our next video.